All right, so the parking would be B4 is our little rental. There's the Puente Nitrate. You see it? Wow. If you drive, you're gonna park in B4 over here. You're just gonna go and take the elevator up to the 3rd floor where the Cancun Dental Design will be. Wow. Is this all inclusive? Is this drinks and food?
Yeah, 5 stars. How are you guys?
Good.
How do you feel? Nice to meet you.
Let me get the
My
view
name is
here, right?
Dr. Adriana. I'm a specialist in odontology, so I'm gonna do your scaling.
Creo que aquí la península es chechón.
Oh, te vamos a poner una cobijita, ¿ok? Porque está un poco frío. Sí, ¿ves? Entonces tú eres de aquí y de allá.
Sí. Llegué a Cancún
Oh my
a los
God.
10 años.
The
Y hace
niña.
5 años ya me fui para allá. Pero hoy vengo.
You want it over your feet, baby?
Yes, please.
Chin up. Thank you. I'm gonna measure your gums, okay? Pain? Here, say hi. Your tent.
Ay, se fue suave.
Alright. Now I'm gonna start to know you, okay? Te voy a hacer un poco con... Moverlo.
How you feel, baby? Woo!
Nah, I'm okay.
All right, so we finished the first appointment. You just got a teeth cleaning, right? Like
Yes.
deep teeth cleaning. And now we're gonna. So this is the second office, I guess you could say, for Cancun Dental Design. And now, which one we got here? Right? Parking
Yeah.
or estacionamiento?
Extremley.
And so we, so my wife had an appointment at this location, and now we're going over to the other location that we had at the beginning of the video, and it's gonna be my turn. So we're gonna hop in the car and head over there now. Alrighty. All right, so we're headed to the second location.
Take the next left onto Retorno del Rey.
Okay. I think I'm just doing the teeth cleaning today also.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the implant later, closer to when we get ready to go back, so I can enjoy food.
In 50 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit and stay on Retorno del Rey.
Oh yeah, I remember. What hotel is this?
Is it Royal Sands? No.
Oh yeah.
No, the Royal Sands is back.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Secret Divine. And...
Oh yeah, and it's Sandos. Remember we stayed there one time.
Pero es cambio de
This is
nombre.
Kempinski. Okay, and this is
Es aquí.
yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
Beauty Clinic, bro.
Oh yeah, hold this. That's not us.
No.
All right, hold on. Look, there's one of those little Dodge Ram 700s. Hold this. I think this one. Here's Amstar.
Yes. Hello, Amsar.
Yeah,
Aquí.
Cancun Dental Design.
Mira, bueno. Beauty Clinic.
Yeah, I wonder what they do all there. What the fuck is You got your teeth taken care of first.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and cut it.